こんにちは。経営ラボチャンネルでございます。本日はですね、シフト、ニュージーランドからですね、エンジニアさんが来ておりまして、そのインタビュー動画を、撮っていきたいと思います。Hello, Paul. Welcome to Japan.
Thank you very much.
Could you introduce yourself a little bit for us?
Well, Haruki, I'm one of the principal scientists at Syft. Been there a long time. And at present, my role is largely to interact with distributors and potential customers, particularly in the Asian region, and typically working to demonstrate equipment for distributors, customers, going on site and working with customers to develop their methodologies to solve their problems.
Nice, thank you so much. So distributor like Kinryo, right? Thanks so much always. I heard you're like the earliest or the first original member of Syft, right? Could you tell me the history of Syft a little bit?
Well, I'm not quite the first, but I am one of the earlier and older members. The company came out of the University of Canterbury, where a research group led by Professor Murray McEwen was studying iron molecule chemistry using a selected iron flow tube. Our real area of interest was interstellar chemistry, but in the late 90s, the whole area of real-time trace gas analysis opened up, and the company came out of that work. So Professor McEwen is our founder. There's still a few of us older students around, and actually at the moment we have a whole bunch of very young and very exciting chemists. It's quite a boom for chemistry at Canterbury.
Nice, thanks so much. Yes, last year I actually visited you guys, and I can see very like energyful scientists, and yeah, it's looking forward to work more together. So as you said, like you're always working with us and do some demonstration. So could you tell us more? What we can do for the customer like during the demonstration time?
Well, one thing that we really want to do is actually get the equipment on site to demonstrate to the customer that the equipment is extremely easy to use. You can turn it on, take it out of the crate and be getting results within hours in some cases. But the real benefit of this technique is the speed of the technique and the wide range of compounds that you can analyze with one single analyzer. We don't need several different units. We can do it all in one box. And as I say, it's the speed and simplicity, I feel, are two of the things that people really get impressed by.
Thanks so much, Paul. So yes, let's do more demonstration on site in Japan more. So let's finish the video now. Okay. Thanks so much. See you next video. こんにちは。はい、この動画もですね、今回もポールさんに、来ていただいていまして、インタビューの続きパート2ということで話を聞いていきたいと思います。よろしくお願いいたします、ポールさん。そうですね、この動画では、主に半導体分野でのシフトマスの使い方、アプリケーションについて、ポールさんから話を聞いていきたいと思います。お願いいたします。So Paul, as I said, let me ask a few questions about the semicon application. Use Syft-Ms. So I heard that there are like two applications for AMC monitoring. One is the mobile, another one is stationary, right? So could you tell us more about? Maybe we can start from mobile. Thank you.
Certainly, and it's the perfect time to introduce the brand new Syft AMC Explorer mobile sampling device. So, as Haruki says, this is for mobile sampling, so you can use this in several different ways. You can use it for sampling multiple points around a facility without having to build in complicated sampling infrastructure. So this is something we've done recently with one of our customers. We've been able to effectively map out 5 different fab buildings and make repeated measurements over time to let the customer fully understand the kind of fluxes and flows of the various VOCs around the building and the influence that changing air conditioning or environmental factors has on the VOC levels. Another really useful application of a mobile unit is tracking down events. So where you have a elevated level of a VOC, for example, in previous customers have used this for heat transfer fluids, hydrogen fluoride, other compounds. Where you have an elevated level, you can use the mobility of the Explorer to track down the exact location of the event.
Yes, thanks so much, Paul. Yes. Actually, the mobile unit is very good and it's brand new now, and yes, it's here. And unfortunately, we don't have the stationary system for today, but could you give us a little information for that as well?
So stationary sampling is typically done with a Sift unit. The analyzer is the same analyzer as in the mobile unit, but it's typically incorporated with a multiplex sampling system, sampling from multiple areas throughout up to lengths of 150 meters from the sampling unit itself. So typically these sites are monitored in a sequence with the potential for an event at a site to monitor a change in the sequence in order to perhaps pin down a more geographically precise location. The unit is very simple to use, and it has the advantage of being able to do most of the VOCs, inorganics, and fluorinated species, all using the same device.
Nice. Thanks so much, Paul. I think the customers is more understanding the Syft-Ms for now. Thanks so much. Okay, maybe we can finish this video with us if you want. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Us. Okay. See you next video. Bye bye. Okay, thank you.